Hi, this is Sal from DSI. Welcome to my weekly blog. Recently, I'm receiving much more emails from customers that decided to convert the old removable denture of the patient to the screw retained, or those who want to try the multi-unit system for the first time. And that's the great sign. So I've decided the theme of this video will be the multi-units. DSI multi-unit abutment system provides you all the necessary tools to restore even compromised edentulous cases with a wide variety of abutment angles, color height, and not one but two different platforms to choose from. No system better equips you to plan for your patient's individual needs. It's almost impossible to prepare on 4 on 6 cases without using the angulated multi-unit placement. That's why in DSI we provide you the greatest range of angulation correction options and least lateral offset, ensuring uncompromised strength, versatility, and simplicity. DSI multi-unit abutments feature up to 45 degrees of angulation correction to help you ensure a passive prosthetic fit and restorative flexibility to divergent implants in any case. In today's short video, we will show you how using the A-key angulated gouges gives you the option to pre-plan the use of the multi-unit abutments in order to achieve a maximum parallelism in every case. The angulation keys are made of grade 5 titanium and arrive in the same angulations the DSI multi-units are, up to 45 degrees divergence. They easily go inside the implant with satisfying click sound that shows you that it sits properly. In this model, the implants are almost parallel placed, but you could get the idea. The possible angulations are 17, 30 and 45 degrees, so the use of those keys remove all guessing from your prosthetic work and you could plan ahead the restoration. Very clear to see exact position and angulation of the future multi-unit abutment. Clear, dark, laser marking, reusable and fully autoclavable.